Are you tired of spending hours manually transcribing audio recordings? Learn to transcribe any audio file in Otter.ai with just 4 simple steps. First, we'll navigate to Otter's homepage. Then, we'll import your audio, choose the file, and jump to your transcript. All right, let's get started by navigating to the Otter.ai homepage. Once you're there, find the Import button at the top and click on it. Then, go ahead and click Browse Files and choose the audio file from your computer. Finally, click Go to Transcript, and you're all set. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.